If you're a job seeker or a student or you're just disorganized like I am, here are some of the best platforms to use when you want to organize your stuff because God knows we need it.
Hey Eva, how do you organize your workflow?
Oh, I like Trello. It gives me a visual workspace where I can create different boards and base them on whatever I want. So when I'm finished with the task, I can move it over to the next board, and then I do it month by month. So when I'm finished with all of my tasks for the month, I can go over them and see what I've accomplished.
Hey Elaine, how do you organize your workflow?
I love Notion. I use Notion for my personal life and my work life. I like Notion because for me, it's a mess, but it's an organized mess in a way that I can have everything that I want, everything that I'm looking for on this single page. If I'm looking for something, I just have to put my own links. That's what I like about Notion, and the fact that I can just organize it as I want.
Now, personally, I've taken advice from both of them and I've started using Trello and Notion as well. And to be honest, I'm still a mess, but I'm trying. Which platform do you guys use to organize your workflow, and what would you use if you were to choose between Trello and Notion?